Mom, I think that... Mom? It seems no one is here.
Come. I will show you the entire house. Come. And over here, I used to wait here for him. The memories of this house. I can never forget the memories attached to this house. This house is my pride. Do you know why? Because this house was built by your father with his earned money. I very well know that someday you too would make me proud. With your hard work and honesty, I'm sure of that.
Mom, I think the tenant is not at home. We will come back later. Can we go now? I'm a little tired.
Yes, sure. I'll just keep the sheer khurma for him here. Let's go.
I do not care if I'm dead or alive.
Wow!
I do not care if I'm dead or alive. Because every night my wife cooks olives.
Marvelous! Marvelous!
Father has given a huge responsibility of managing the victory celebration. But I have very little time. What if I make a mistake?
I'm here for you. I'll help you. It would be pleasing to work so close to you, Princess.
Your grey hair... I mean, your experience would be very useful, Minister.
Definitely.
I will be right back. Father, are you all right?
Yes. I am fine.
Your Majesty, are you all right? Okay. This is definitely the result of someone's carelessness. Long live the king!
Long live the king! Long live the king!
Indeed. would you be interested in 10,000 gold coins? You need to steal something for me by next Friday.
But what do I have to steal?
A lamb.
Someday my son would be very successful.
Mom, I've got a big job right now. Please pray that I become successful in it. My mom used to lead a happy life. But I couldn't give her even a respectful and peaceful life, let alone luxurious one. When she finds out that I'm not an honest man, then what will she have to go through? Who's there? Who's that? Without feathers, you turned into a peacock. By making your mother dream, you turned into the black thief. Whoever it is, show yourself, or else you won't be spared. You think about saving yourself. You have disappointed me many times. Do you want to disappoint even your mother? Huh? Who are you? Don't get scared. Even my name is Aladdin. You would have heard my name. How is it possible? There's one heart and one soul, and I am ready to sacrifice. Which song is this? It's not yet, but it's gonna be. One day for sure. What kind of a joke is this? Keep your mouth shut. Why should I keep my mouth shut? At least hear the truth about you. You are timid, and you are a coward. You are weak. How will you give your mother a good life, Aladdin? Huh? How will you fulfill her dreams? Stop it! Keep quiet! Just keep quiet! I'm not scared of anyone and I mean it! And I can do anything for my mother! No one can stop me! Understood? I can't lose to anyone. And no one can use me. Muchar thinks that he will trap me in this game. But he is now going to realize who is actually the pawn of this game and who is the Wazir.
The princess has ruined my plan completely. After all, for how long will the poor princess be able to save her father's life?
Now, what is your next plan, brother-in-law?
We have settled down in the game. Our pawn will defeat the king in such a way that the entire game will come to an end.
But who is that?
The Black Thief. I want him to be presented before me at any cost. Or else. Or else. Or else.
You need not come to me, Muchad. Alias, decent man. Now I come to you and tell you the conditions of this game. He thinks that he can use me and get the magic lamp very easily. That's what he thinks. But now he will realize that the consequences of this. Let me just find a way to reach that Muchad. But how? Unless I find a way, I won't rest in peace. Muchad. I need to reach 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 Muchad.
Master! Master Aladdin, you must have heard the name. It's morning already. Wake up! Master? Where did the master go? Master! Master!
I want Muchad.
Master?
Muchad, I'm coming.
Hocus pocus, let my magic spell work and I serve my master. I'm in need of a flying carpet for now.
Look how Aladdin is sleeping on the street.
Oh my god, I was sleeping on the bed. How did I come on the street? I'm sure it's the handiwork of Gino.
Ginny!
Mom, she hasn't seen him doing magic. Mom, Genie hasn't done anything. It's all your imagination.
Hey, when did I say that he did something? I'm just calling him out to come and see that his friend has grown so big and yet end up falling on the street all the time. And how did you get so much dirt on your dress?
Mom, actually, that what happened is I was feeling hungry and I came in search of you and I slipped and that's how it happened. I fell down.
You are impossible. I had gone to get milk. Get in. I will serve you breakfast.
Mom,
Yes.
I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead.
You have all the answers, right?
Go ahead and ask.
If I don't know a person's real name and address, then how do I reach him?
By washing your face.
What do you mean?
I mean, stop this nonsense. Go wash your face. I'll make breakfast for you.
How do I tell Mom about this problem? Whom do I ask for advice? Oh, Pitti, I need some advice of yours.
Aladdin, my advice is the same. Stop dreaming about a princess, and choose a simple, decent and innocent girl, you see. Look, perhaps she might be around you.
Lend me your ears. The flies are around and the moon is far away. The flies? are around and the moon is far away, in my heart, the princess has a place for my love.
So there are flies around you and there are flies around me too. Huh? What advice do you want?
Hey, Bidhi. What do I say? There's a stranger and I don't know his name and address. And I need your help to find that person, Bidhi. Bidhi, tell me then, how do I look for that person?
With love.
With love?
If your love is true, then one can find even God.
Bidhi, keep your advice to yourself. I'll ask someone else for it. Alright? Thank you. No one is concerned about me. Everybody is bothered about themselves. I will have to find someone who thinks outside the box. Bulbul, you are my only hope. Tell me, how do I reach Mujhar? What is this, Uncle Bulbul?
This is the lamp of the sunlight. We shall take Mujhar to see the lamp with the help of this and trap him.
But how?
A bird can be trapped in a cage. This has the power of the sun. People will understand its power and future. We can show the image of the lamp everywhere. And with its help, we can show the image of the lamp anywhere. Just like this. The palace of the emperor is in the middle of Baghdad. We shall project the image of the lamp over there. Mujhar will surely see that.
Princess Yasmin stays there. And she's gonna get hurt. No. Not there, no. We will have to find another place for that. A place which is visible to everyone. But it's different from the world.
You should not back out from the responsibility of Jasn-e-Fateh, Princess. Because no one else can fulfill the responsibility of keeping His Majesty safe better than you.
I couldn't fulfill my responsibility properly. What if something had happened to father?
You're going to be the Queen of Baghdad. And it does not matter how many problems the Queen of Baghdad faces. She can't back out from her responsibilities. Don't consider yourself alone. I am always with you. I'll get some water for you.